Now that you've been introduced to bio-based biodegradable lubricants, what's the best way to start introducing these environmentally friendly products into your fleet? Renewable Lubricants has 250 different products from which to choose. They cover a wide spectrum of applications that not only concern your fleet, but your factories as well. Let's look at several different scenarios, some of which might apply to your situation. The garage. Take a walk through your garage and look at all the products you currently use. Read the labels on these products. You'll find nearly all of them have warning labels such as hazardous material, extremely flammable, high VOC content, restricted for sale in certain states, contains acetone, toluene, and other dangerous chemicals, contains chemicals known to cause cancer or birth defects. Get rid of these products and replace them with renewable lubricants better performing, safer, and environmentally friendly products, such as our biopenetrating lubricants, high-performance greases, corrosion inhibitors, degreasers, and cleaners. Because of a wider temperature range with bio-based products, you might be able to consolidate the number of products used to save money. Gasoline and diesel fuel. Today's diesel engine is quieter, smoother, and more powerful. But today's diesel engine owners are overlooking one important factor. The quality of today's diesel fuel has not advanced at the same rate as the engine improvements. Diesel fuel begins to deteriorate as soon as it's produced. It is estimated that 8 out of every 10 diesel engine failures have been directly related to poor quality and contaminated fuel. Renewable Lubricants has 3 diesel fuel additives that can be used separately or together. They include BioPower Summer and Winter Fuel Conditioners and BioBooster Cetane Improver. Our diesel fuel conditioners have been fleet tested and show impressive results, resulting in improved fuel economy, improved horsepower, and reduced exhaust emissions. Can you imagine the cost savings to your diesel fleet if you average a conservative 5% improvement in fuel economy? BioBooster Cetane Improver. Cetane is a performance rating of a diesel fuel. A higher cetane number or cetane rating indicates greater fuel efficiency. The fuel cetane influences duration of white smoking after startup, drivability before warm-up, and intensity of diesel knock at idle. Increase the cetane number of a fuel and you have improved performance. All 3 of these products can be added to a specific vehicle or generally to your on-ground fuel tanks. The choice is up to you. BioPlus Injector Cleaner Gas Conditioner. Our Injector Cleaner Gas Conditioner has been shown to improve fuel efficiency up to 15% and a reduction of exhaust emissions up to 18%. One of the biggest complaints I hear from customers is that ethanol is doing major corrosive damage to engine and fuel line fittings. In addition, there is an abundance of water in the gas. The federal government continues to push for E85 fuel, which is only going to make matters worse while lowering fuel mileage. Fight back with BioPlus. Again, imagine a conservative 5% gain in fuel mileage to your gasoline fleet. BioPlus reduces fuel system corrosion and increases moisture absorption into the fuel to dry out fuel tanks and help reduce freezing in fuel lines. BioPlus can be added generally to your on-ground fuel tanks or to a specific vehicle or group of vehicles. Again, the choice is yours. What I've attempted to do here is show how easy it is to incorporate renewable lubricants bio-based products into your fleet. We've only talked about 4 of the 250 different products available to you. I haven't even talked about our high-performance engine oils, hydraulic oils, penetrating lubricants, greases, and gear oils. Everyone is looking for ways to save money for their company or their department. The beauty of these products is you don't need any infrastructure improvements or major upfront costs to incorporate them into your business. There are no minimum purchases required and no long-term commitments. You decide what products you want to use and when you want to use them. As your representative from Green Alternative Solutions, I will work with you to be sure both you and your fellow employees understand how to use our products. The benefits will become obvious almost immediately. They say the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. Well, it's time to do things differently, not to get just different results, but better results. When you're ready, contact me to get started. Thank you for your time.